Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi A3 air filter, updated. Open the hood, remove the engine cover, and locate the air box on the passenger side. Unclip the air box fasteners, lift the lid carefully, and slide out the old filter. Clean the housing with a soft cloth and inspect for debris. Place the new filter oriented the same way, secure the lid, and reattach the engine cover gently. Start by unfastening clips or screws holding the airbox lid, then lift it straight up to avoid bending tabs. Slide the old filter out perpendicular to the housing to prevent scattering debris. Use a vacuum or soft brush to remove visible dust from the box and sealing surfaces. Inspect the air intake snorkel and hoses for cracks or loose clamps, replacing or tightening as needed before inserting the new filter. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here, a handy companion while you work on the car. I linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check pricing and accessories easily. Thanks for watching this short pause. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new filter into the housing with the same orientation as the old one, ensuring it sits flush against the gasket. Close the airbox lid and secure all clips or screws snugly without over-tightening to avoid cracking plastic. Reinstall the engine cover and ensure all hoses and clamps remain connected. Start the engine, listen for smooth idle and no whistling, then check for any check engine light before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.